So now let's talk about inspiration. Where does inspiration come from? It comes from your whys. Why? Why do you want to achieve something? What's the reason? If you don't have strong whys, then you're not going to be motivated. And what happens is there's so many obstacles to achieving anything. It's the material world. Material world means you have to work very hard for something. And if the why is not strong enough, then what happens is the obstacles start to become overwhelming. And then at some point you start to become discouraged, and you focus on the obstacles, you focus on the difficulties, you focus on the austerity. And the only thing that really helps you overcome those negative forces is that the why is so strong. It's so important for you. It's so inspiring for you that you're never going to give up. And so therefore, we need to find services, we need to find goals, projects that are inspiring according to our nature, our physical, as Prabhupada says, psychophysical nature. We're all different. What inspires me may not inspire you, and that's fine because we're different. But we need to find what inspires us. What is that service? What is that project that we could just work on forever, that we dream about, that really pushes us, that energizes us? I remember when I used to do Sankirtan, I hit a point where I wasn't inspired. It was the nature of the Sankirtan. We were doing more collecting than preaching and distributing books. And every time we got to our Sankirtan spot, I would just become tired and want to go to sleep. And I'm sure a lot of times you have that experience. When you have to do something that doesn't inspire you, you can feel just the energy leaving your body. And the opposite is true. When you're really inspired to do something, energy kind of overcomes your body, and you feel like you can just go practically with very little sleep. So it's really, really important, because if we're not enthused in Krishna consciousness, we're naturally going to find something to enthuse us in the material world. And we can easily become very absorbed in material activities. It's not difficult, it's our nature. So our inspiration in Krishna consciousness is extremely important. Find what inspires you. And I know many of you will say, I don't know what inspires me. And when I hear that, I kind of cringe. And I think, are you so alienated from yourself that you don't know what inspires you? Is there nothing in Krishna consciousness that makes your mouth water, that just, I would like to see this happen? It doesn't have to be something practical that's going on in a local temple. It can be something that you can dream up. It can be a project that you can create with other people. Even if it's not possible to create it at the present, you can dream about it, you can think about it, you can plan about it. This will inspire you. And as you think, you dream, you focus, then gradually, mystically, Krishna often introduces you to other people who are thinking in the same way. Or you go on the internet and you find other devotees thinking as you're thinking, and gradually things start to come together. So our movement is so important that we have to spread it to the best of our capacity. So be all you can be, do all you can do. Don't accept anything less than you can be and do. Hare Krishna. Srila Prabhupada ki